Welcome to Neha's Bookkeeping Corner, and today I'm here to give you 3 tips for end of financial year. Now, we are in Australia, we are getting close to end of financial year, which is in June. We are in the beginning of March, and before we know in June, we'll be here. So, how do we make sure you are set up for success for your end of financial year? Number one, make sure your banks are reconciled. So if you're using software, if you're using a bookkeeper, make sure everything is reconciled up to date, especially up to 31st of March. When you come in around April, May, you want to book that appointment with your tax accountant. So that's my point number 2. So if you want to be very strategic about your taxes, about where you need to spend now to make sure you don't pay a lot of tax, etc., you want to do a good tax planning meeting with your tax accountant. But before that, you need to make sure your banks are reconciled. So everything is kind of interlinked. So make sure your banks are reconciled. And if you're not using a software, say you're using a notebook or an Excel to put all your incomes and expenses in there, have that ready. That is enough information as well. Number 3 are all your lodgements are up to date, your passes, your payroll, whatever are your lodgements due with the tax office, they are all up to date. So these are, if you get through these 3 things, then you're ready for an amazing end of financial year as far as your bookkeeping, accounting is concerned, and then follow up with your tax accountant. There's some great tax accountants giving out some great strategies to save tax and make sure you do the right thing. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.